Let me get that out the way because I have my pan over here with my napkin. So yeah. Hi guys, how is everybody doing today? Good, because your girl is back in the kitchen. Okay, and thank you for joining me, you guys. So today, I am going to do a challenge, okay? And this challenge was created by TosHTime. Okay, now the theme of her challenge is we had to get some egg rolls and we had to add some mushrooms and what is these, bean sprouts? Bean sprouts. Well, your girl couldn't leave her cabbage out, okay? So, yeah, and she want us to create basically some healthy, that's the way I look at it, healthy egg rolls using some chicken breast. Now, she prefers the rotisserie chicken, but your girl already was doing a quick little clip, you know, for the weekend. And so, yeah, I put me some of that chicken breast out of that. And, yeah, so your girl is here because she's going to create this challenge to make her some crispy egg rolls. Okay? Because like Tosh said, the egg rolls, they had to be crispy. And she also told you how to get that crispiness. Because that's the key to this challenge. Now, I think it's really not what you add in there. Because you can add basically what you want. Okay? But your girl, you know, Miss T got a kid a little above the notch. Okay? I had to carry it a little above the notch. Because your girl like challenges. Now, yes, if you're wondering if my hands are clean, yes, they are. Now, this will not consist of the family outside of my household. Because they're used to me cooking without my gloves. Lord, I done tore that side up, but we still going to use it. Because we got us some fresh egg roll wraps, and we're going to use those two little pieces as well. So I'm going to get me some water that I have on the side. And I am just going to go ahead and I'm going to show you guys. Let me set this aside because we're going to use those little two pieces. Okay. So first step I'm going to do is I'm giving this a good stir. Because we want to get mushrooms up in there. We want chicken breast. And I think that's enough filling right there. Let me get a little more bean sprout. Okay. Okay, so that's enough. And so, yeah, your girl is going to do this challenge because I like TosHTime. I love me some TosHTime, you guys. I'm sorry if, you know, you don't prefer her. And if you don't know her, go over and check her channel out, you guys. You will love her. Okay? And you have, that's a simple twist egg roll. Let's use this little piece to patch this hole up. Why? Because it's not going to hurt nothing. And you want to make sure that you seal very well. You want to make sure you seal very well, you guys. Just go ahead, put that right there. Why? Because we're going to go on and do these on up. You know, I might, because I have a lot of filling, might incorporate some cheese in this. You know. Uh-oh. I'm doing it wrong. I'm doing it wrong, you guys. And we roll. Okay. So let me finish rolling. And we'll see you over. So you want to make sure that your oil is good and hot. Okay. So we made 5 of them over here. I don't know if you guys can see. But I made 5 of them. And I need to see. We're going to let that get a little more hotter. Because I don't want it too hot, but I want it perfect. And no, I don't have one of those temperature things to tell you what time you're on. But I know it'll be okay. Now the side that you glued down, I always put that first. So we put in 3. And we're going to let those fry. Okay, so we're going to check the sides. Oh, yeah. So egg rolls does not take that long to cook at all. So yeah, it seems like the perfect video to me. Let me get that out the way because I have my pan over here with my napkin. So yeah, see you guys when we get ready to test the crunch, the bite. You know, but like I say, shout out to TosHTime. I really appreciate this challenge because in our cooking community, we need more challenges like this. You guys, check it out. I'm letting some of the oil drain because I don't want to drip. But anyway, check it out. Did you see it? Let me show you one more time. See that texture? On both sides. Let me put the last 2 in. Okay guys, so we have cooked them all. This is my outcome, you guys. So yeah, thumbs this video straight up, subscribe to the channel, and yes, let's listen out for the crunch. That's the side. It is hot. Okay, so we're gonna go in here. Oh, look at that filling. Oh, it's falling out, you guys. But anyhow, there it is. Crispy egg rolls. You guys, check that out. Crispy egg rolls. Now your girl gotta go in for this bite. Oh. Mm-hmm. Now what I did add that you guys did not get a chance to see was the soy sauce. I'm sorry. You know I move fast when it comes to a challenge. But yes. Crispiness. Mushrooms in there. Cabbage. But I'm going to keep this piece right here, y'all. But anyway, shout out to TosHTime. Sending much love from my house to yours. I really appreciate it. You was just an inspiring lady. You know, keep doing what you're doing. And yeah, your girl did this challenge. And it's pretty much because I wanted to. It's not about what you were offering. So yeah, sending much love from my house to yours. Goodbye. And yes, I'm looking forward for everyone that is competing. Go ahead, get them recipes together. All right, bye. See you guys later.